Hey everybody, we have a lot of mail today and I just want to thank you so much from the bottom of my blue heart of all your efforts. You know, there are people that have sent in one hat, there are people that have sent in 13 hats, there are people and groups that have sent in more than that. It's amazing to see how much this resonates with all of you and that Hat Not Hate is really going as close as New Jersey and as far as, I think at one point we had hats coming from Italy. So really, Hat Not Hate is starting to take the world by storm in the best way possible. So I want to thank all of you for participating in this and helping Hat Not Hate reach the goal of 25,000 hats by August 1st. And with that, we are going to distribute these hats around the country to schools and to students so they can feel empowered to stand up to bullies. Because I think we can all agree that bullying is no good and that we want to end it. So that's my mission with Hat Not Hate. And you all have decided to join in this wonderful campaign that is Hat Not Hate to end it. So enough of me chitter-chattering. Let's get down to some blue business, okay? I have a specific hat that I want to shout out, and this was made by my godmother. This was actually the first project that she's ever made in her life, and she wanted to make a blue hat for Hat Not Hate. This comes all the way from Israel, and she gave it to me with all the holes. But you know what? It's still a hat, it's still blue, and I was so touched that her first project was for Hat Not Hate. So it doesn't matter if it's one hat, every hat counts. So thank you very much to my dear Tante Rosa. That is my special shout out. All right, first on the list of hats, this comes from Julie. She sent in 12 hats. Wow, check her out. These are beautiful. Thank you so much. Thank you. Yay, I love the blue. This comes from Pennsylvania. 6 blue hats. Thank you so much. Jennifer T, Iowa. Thank you for your 3 blue hats. Every hat counts, guys, and just so you know, we still have a contest going on. The most hats sent in to Hat Not Hate, and the address will appear. First place gets $500, it's by a person or a group, and second place gets $250, and Lion Brand will be donating $750 to our partner organization, Box Out Bullying. They travel around the country talking to students, teachers, parents about bullying and how to stand up to bullies. That's why we partnered with them, because we wanted to kind of shine a light on a small organization, and we love what they do, so everybody's winning. Jay Morgan in California. Wow, that's quite the hat there. Got some curls on your hat. You like some curls. All right, I'm into it. Thank you for your blue hat. Adriana L in Connecticut. Let's see what we have here. Dear Lion Brand, I was so happy to knit 5 Hat Not Hate hats for your cause. Hope this helps in meeting your goals. Sincerely, Adriana L. Thank you so much, Adriana. I really appreciate the fact that you took the time to make 5 beautiful blue hats. Mitchell in California, very California heavy this year. Wow, okay. Look at that. That might even deserve a try on. I'm feeling it. Guys, it's happening. Hey. Wow, these pom-poms are for real. These are beautiful and very soft. Thank you very much. Let's see, let's go with this one. Oh, I like the blue box, very on theme. Okay. Oh, and there's a note in here. It's a dog. It's a dog. Thank you for all you do for making a difference. Happy to contribute to the project, Claudia. Claudia, thank you so much. You made like little tags. You guys, the effort that goes into the packaging on some of these has been really just fun to watch. I'm also not going to lose my hat, so we're gonna put that, you know what, we're gonna put my hat back on so I won't lose it. The pom-poms that you guys have added makes me so happy to see the creativity that has come and just the effort and the pom-poms. Oh my goodness, so beautiful. Thank you so much for your effort and your time, Claudia. I appreciate it. Oh wow, we got a big one. We got a big one coming in. Hold on. Kimmel Steel. On behalf of the Nassau Shul, Nassau, New York, our Mitzvah Knitters group knit these 26 hats for Hat Not Hate. Awesome, thank you so much. And that is spearheaded by my good friend Lori Kimmel Steel, the mama of Clinton Hill Cashmere, Becky. I'll try and like beautifully stack them. Thank you so much. And a lot of that's been happening. I've been seeing on our Hat Not Hate Facebook group, people have been coming together and working together as like a beautiful crafty community. And I love that this is bringing everyone together, because I think that the more time we spend together and working towards something that we all are against, I think we kind of unite. There's a good feeling that comes out of uniting together. It's crazy how when you put your mind to something, it really comes true. So thank you so much. Here we go, 26. Thank you so much. Williamson in Alabama. I love when they're Ziploc. They're like snacks, like sandwiches. They're like cheese sandwiches, but they're blue hats. I love it. Thank you so much, Tammy. Terry B in Port St. Lucie, Florida. Aw, Hatitude. It's all about the hat. That's so cute. Oh, look at that. Hold up, guys. It's about to get real up in here. What is this? Wow. This is. I like this. Oh my God, there's more. Oh, they all have jewels on them. I want one of these hats. I love this so much. These are so cool. Thank you so much. Who sent this? Who are you? Terry B. Thank you so much, Terry. Let's take this back. Okay. Hello. Dear Shira, on behalf of the Big Apple Knitters Guild, we are happy to donate 67 hats for Hat Not Hate. Best Terry S. I believe you when you tell me. Thank you so much for your all the time and effort that you took into making these hats. Harriet and Alice. Oh, Harriet and Alice, you guys have sent us other hats before. Thank you so much. Look at this. 20. I love it. There's so many hats. Rebecca E in Tennessee. How many hats did you send in? 22 hats! Thank you so much for sending in these beautiful blue hats. I love every single one of them. Thank you. Oh, look, yay! No! Okay, last but not least, from my good friend Karen S. in Texas. We have 38 hats. Oh boy. Oh, and there's a note. Hat Not Hate. Oh, I love it. Janet came up with the idea and several of our friends helped. We are sending you 38 hats, Karen. Get a picture of them. Look at them in their little knit group. I love it. Thank you so, so much. Thank you for doing this. I love all these hats and I love each and every one of you. I really wish I had the opportunity to meet every single one of you that has sent in a blue hat so far. As of today, we're at the beginning of July. We have over 3,000 blue hats. And every time I open up a package, I am beyond touched that each and every one of you has taken the time to make one of these with your own hands and so much love and so much passion. Hat Not Hate is something that means so much to me day in and day out, and I am proud to say that I am the founder of this campaign and that each and every one of you is a blue soldier of mine out there telling your friends, telling your family, telling your fellow crafters about this campaign and how our mission is to end bullying together. For all information regarding Hat Not Hate, check out hatnothate.org and you can click here. And just thank you so much, each and every one of you. You are amazing, amazing humans for taking the time to make these hats, and I will forever be grateful to each and every one of you. Hat not hate.